If you have ever felt overwhelmed by Excel, or if you are still doing things manually, this video is for you. Hi everyone, welcome to Data Scene. In this video, we are going to cover the 6 absolute essential Excel skills that everyone must know and use. We will start by turning raw data into professional tables, master sorting and filtering, fix formatting issues, use the powerful if logic, crack the famous Vlookup formula, and finish by visualizing everything with clean charts. By the end of this video, you won't just say, Excel. You will actually prove it. So let's dive in. Creating a table is really simple, but also very important. For creating table, select the range of cells, then press the shortcuts. It's for Mac, Command and T button, and for Windows, it's Control and T. And then make sure my table has headers is checked, and then hit the OK button. You can also change the design in the table section on the top. Step 2 is adding filter. Adding filter is one of the most important features, especially for managing and analyzing the data in detail. For adding filter on your dataset, select the range of cells first, and then you will see the filter symbol. Then click the filter button. And when you apply this, you will see the filter in this area. So for example, if you like to see the only tech products, you can click the narrow text in the category section and then uncheck the everything except electronics. So I'm choosing those two, and then you can click the X button. Then you will see the results. And if you like to pull it back your results, just click the symbol again and then click the clear button. Then you will see the result is back. And you can also sort your numerical data from largest to smallest or reverse. For example, I'm choosing the quantity filter and then click the ascending to sort all numerical data from smallest to largest. And then click the X button. Step 3 is the cell formatting. Cell formatting is one of the most important features in Excel because you need to identify the data types in your dataset. If you don't format your numbers and dates correctly, Excel treats them as a plain text, and your formulas will break, your math will fail, and your dynamic dashboard will completely crash. So that's why we always need to care about the formatting cells. The cells formatting is pretty simple. Select a range, then for example I'm choosing the unit price, and since it's a price I know that I need to make it currency. I'm coming to formatting area and click the currency. You can also do much more advanced formatting by clicking the number formatting. For example, I can change the currency type like Australian dollar. And then click the OK button. Our third Excel skill is the if formula. The if formula helps us to make decisions according to conditions. Think of this as a brain of Excel. You give Excel a rule and you say that if it's true, do this, if not, then do that. So let's do an example. In this example, we will evaluate the sales performance according to total sale. And our criteria are if the total sale is more than 10,000, that means it has a high performance. If less than 10,000, it also means a low performance. So let's apply the formula. I click the cell performance column, type if, and then I define a logic test. So for this, I choose a G5 and then type a big symbol and type the 10,000 and type the comma. And after that, I type the true value, which is high between the double quotes, and then type the comma again and type the false value, which is low, and then close the parenthesis. When you double click the right down corner in the cell, the formula will be applied in whole column. And that's all done. The step 5 is the Vlookup. The Vlookup formula is the key skills while using Excel. Think the Vlookup as a digital detective. Its only job is to look at an ID on the left and search for it in another table and bring back the matching information. For example, in that case, I like to find the region according to product ID. For this, I click the cell under the region and then type the equal sign and VLOOKUP. Select the lookup value. The lookup value means what are you looking for and based on what criteria. So we are looking for the regions according to product ID. So that's why our lookup value is the product ID. So I choose a product ID and then to type the comma. And the next one is the table array. Table array means where are you looking for? That's the whole table in our case. So that's why I'm choosing the whole table and then click the comma. The third step is the column index. The column index means what positions in the information we are looking for on that table. Index number is start from 0 and then increasing +1 in every column till the end of the table. Since I'm looking for the region, I'm typing 6 and then type the comma. The last one is the matching. We are always choosing the exact match, so that's why I'm typing 0, which also means the false, and then closing the parentheses. And you see the results. If I change the product ID, you also see that the region is changed. So that's all done. So the last one, but the best one, is the creating chart. Creating charts has a crucial role, especially for visualizing your data. For creating a chart, select a range of your data and then click the insert section and then choose your chart. You can choose any type according to your preferences, and you can also change the design however you want. So once you decided your chart design, then it's all done. So it's that easy to creating a chart. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and please be subscribed. See you in next video.